Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you exactly how to rotate objects and frames in Figma, one of the most essential and honestly fun actions you can use to refine your designs. By the end of this quick tutorial, you'll know a couple of different ways to rotate just about anything in your Figma file with complete confidence. This is a beginner-friendly guide, so whether you're brand new to Figma or just need a refresher, you're absolutely in the right place. Alright, let's jump right in. For starters, let's look at how you can rotate any shape or object right on the canvas. Just go ahead and click on the object you want to rotate. You'll notice that when you select it, a square blue border will appear around it. This lets you know the object is active and ready for editing. Now, here's the key part. Take your mouse cursor and slowly hover over one of the corners of that blue border. Don't rush, sometimes it takes just a fraction of a second. As you get close to the corner, notice how your regular cursor transforms into a curved, double-headed rotate icon. That's Figma's way of saying, okay, let's spin this thing. Once you see that rotation icon, go ahead and click and hold. Then, while holding down your mouse button, simply move your mouse to rotate the object to the angle you want. The rotation will follow your movement in real time, so you can visualize exactly how it'll look before you let go. If you want to rotate it smoothly or snap to certain angles like 15 or 90 degrees, remember you can also hold down the Shift key while rotating. That makes it easy to get a perfectly straight or angled rotation, which is super handy for things like arrows, icons, or anytime you need visual consistency. Don't worry if you don't get it perfect the first time, you can always adjust it as many times as you like. Now, let's say you want more precision. Maybe you need something rotated exactly 37 degrees for a cool diagonal effect, not just whatever your mouse happens to land on. Figma's got you covered here as well. With your object still selected, glance over to the right-hand side of your Figma window. You'll see the position section, which lists coordinates and, crucially, the rotation value. Click on that rotation value, type in the exact number you want, and hit Enter. The object will snap to that precise angle right away. It's super useful if you're working with a strict brand guideline or you want multiple elements to have exactly the same tilt. No more eyeballing every single time. You might be wondering, does this only work for shapes and images? Actually, no, you can rotate entire frames too using the very same methods. Just select the frames, you'll see that familiar blue border wrap itself around everything in that frame. Then, just like before, hover near a corner to bring up the rotate icon, click and rotate. This works exactly the same as it does for individual objects, but instead, all the contents inside the frame turn together. Picture it as spinning a photo album. Everything inside turns as one cohesive unit. This is great when you want to create dynamic layouts or shift grouped content all at once. And that's it. Rotating in Figma is simple once you know where to look. Just select, find the rotation handle, or use the numeric value and you're set. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please give this video a thumbs up. It really helps out the channel. Have any questions about Figma, or is there something else you want to see covered? Just drop a comment below. I always love hearing from you. And don't forget to subscribe for more easy, practical design tutorials. Thanks for watching and happy designing in Figma.